Hello guys, this is me, Schulte from the Schulte Sports. Happy New Year. I just want to wish you hope, happiness, good relations with others, and success in your snooker and professional area. I want to praise John Hunter, Cuestars Academy founder, who created this routine. He said to me that this routine which I made is one of the Ronnie favorites because you work on all-around game. I tried by myself. On the second attempt I made century break, but he said to me that if you want to improve even more, you try to be closer to the max, so you just make a max. The biggest break made in his academy student was 146, so I will try to make soon 147. I believe that this routine gives you lots of control because you need to understand how to move cue ball and have correct patterns, because if you're not gonna have decent cue ball control or correct patterns, then your break will over pretty soon. So this is why it's important to do routines to get understanding on how to do it. Because at the beginning you play more on the black ball spot, then you need to try to clear reds around pink ball spot, and then this is your choice. You can play around blue ball spot or both colors. So this is great for your understanding about cue ball control and pattern play. So yeah, totally recommend for the players, high, intermediate or advanced players to do this. Now I'm preparing for the World Snooker Federation World Snooker Championships, which will happen in Sheffield from 20th to 26th February. I will improve my all-round game with those routines from the Cuestars Academy. And I believe that if I'm gonna do this consistently, my game is gonna be sharper. I can be more consistent, especially under pressure. This is why we are preparing for those competitions, so we could perform well. So definitely I will share more routines from the Cuestars Academy. I will also share my own creative routines, and I believe that all level players from beginner to intermediate and advanced will improve their game. So let's make 2022 a snooker year, a breakthrough year for most of you, and let's go.
O kaip tom paskutinio aš tau nesakau, kad tu užstatęs 14 pralaimėjęs. Sužaisim kartą. Nesužaisim. Tu ne tik pavyzdžiui, kaip pašyk. Pašyk kaip daug. Vyko krasavas. Gailėsim kūlikai. Tai mes su treniruokam žaistam. Draugiškumėm, bet nikoje nekūlikai. Gerai, pažaisim. Tualetę. Suka koršų nenkai. Visi vienam ir kitam metų. Пив. Ну давай його добери. О, в'яжу.